Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Can I have your resume? Yes. What is your name?
Nagendra, sir.
Nagendra.
Yes, sir.
Nagendra, introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. Myself, Nagendra, I am from Nandyal. I complete my graduation Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences, Rajambet, at aggregative percentage of to 70%. I completed my intermediate and the Nandyal Junior College, Nandyal, the aggregate percentage 90%. I completed my schooling BBR English Medium High School with aggregate percent 90%. Coming to my family, I have a nuclear family, my father and mother and one younger brother and me, including me. My coming to my hobbies, playing games and watching TV. And my short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed organization. My long-term goal is to get a higher position where I in the work the organization.
Okay. In the resume you have mentioned about Java, right? So we'll discuss about Java.
Yes.
Why Java is platform independent?
Java is first of all Java is evergreen language. In Java we can write anywhere program and run any platform. That's why we call independence. We can write in program Linux and we can run in any another online program in internet. Have to
What are the operators we have in Java?
There are 7 operators. First of all, operator is a symbol. It is used to perform between the two operands. There are arithmetic operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, relational operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators.
What are the conditional statements? What are conditional statements?
Conditional statements is if else if. First of all, we explain if statement. First, you have to write the condition on if. You have to condition is satisfied. Have to we will print the statement. Had not condition not satisfy the statement. Had not print the and if else also if. First of all, if is condition, we can break the statement that if condition only. Otherwise, we can print the else statement.
Okay. So what about if else ladder and switch case?
If else ladder is we have to correct the statement to round the output will be statements. And switch case also we have to number of loops are writing.
Explain me about switch case.
Switch case have to write many number of statements have cases like 1, 2, 3. Many number of statements you can got the output.
What is a method?
Method is a set of instructions and which are used to group together by using method implementation and method declaration.
What is method overloading?
The method overloading is a same method names and but having different number of parameters.
Okay, what is a class and object?
Class is a one blueprint, sir. And object is a instantiation of class. It is like world wide entities.
What is a constructor?
Constructor is a confusion special method, sir.
What is this call statement? What is this call statement?
To call the particular statement.
What is supercall statement?
Supercall statement supercall statement is inheritance. To call the like statement in supercall is a parent class, sir.
What are the types of relationships in Java are present?
Two types, sir. He is a relationship, has a relationship.
Explain about has a relationship.
Has a relationship is also known as composition. It takes one type of object to another type of object, its own properties, sir. Example, car has a engine.
What is inheritance?
The process of inheriting the data to one object to another object during the method implementation based on the formal arguments during the runtime. It is known as inheritance.
Can we achieve multiple inheritance in Java?
No, sir.
Why?
Because of it has totally confused to call the same name and same class within the same names.
What is abstraction?
Abstraction is hiding the important unnecessary data, shows the important data.
Okay, Nagendra. Spoken well, but little bit revision is required. Okay. Fine.
Thank you.